Do you have a problem with leaking? I know it happens when we get older, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a leaky toilet.
What do you know about plumbing? Nothing. That's fine. Give me a hand.
This toilet here has been leaking for quite some time. I could see water dripping down the inside and movement inside the pool of water.
Hey, there's something you don't see in a toilet every day.
So I bought this kit. It's by Korky. It's a complete universal kit. It's supposed to be for runny toilet, noisy toilet, no fill, slow fill, leaky flapper, which is what I was talking about earlier, and more. I'm not sure what more means. But anyway, we're going to install this today. Hopefully, it's going to take care of my problem and yours.
Let's go.
First thing, turn off the water to your toilet. Hopefully, there's a valve under it that's not frozen. I bought this complete kit because I didn't want to just change the flapper or another part. I figured while I had the whole thing disassembled, I might as well change everything. The whole kit only costs about 20 bucks. Instructions which you might not need since you've got the luxury of video instructions. For this job, you're going to need to remove the whole tank, not just the lid, but the whole tank section.
Mamma mia!
Drain the water by flushing it, then removing the water inlet. Put a container under it for the water to drain. Use towels or rags to sop up the water inside. Now I'll remove the old water fill. Remove the tank by taking off the two nuts and screws holding it in place. I found it easiest to hold the head of the screw in place using a flat screwdriver and then remove the nut with a socket. Mine is 11 millimeters. This tank has been here a long time. I'll just give it a jiggle and it should break free. Remove the old disgusting rubber gasket. Remove the old flapper by loosening the nut. Install the new flapper. Pay attention to the orientation. I'm going to jump ahead to show you what it's going to look like in the end. Install this cardboard-like washer followed by the large plastic nut. I hand tighten it and then gave it a slight turn with the pliers. Remove the old bolts. Install this gasket seal. Clean off the old residue. It's a good time to paint the wall if you weren't able to do it before. Now you can replace the tank. Center the big red rubber gasket over the opening on the base. This kit comes with 3 bolts and 3 rubber washers. You only need 2. Put the washer on the bolt. The rubber washer goes inside the tank. On the outside, put the metal washer and nut. Tighten down the bolts. When tightening, go back and forth between the nuts to get even pressure. And then stop when the 2 ceramic pieces barely touch. Don't over tighten or you'll be buying a new toilet. Now I'll install the fill valve. Again, the rubber washer goes on the inside, the plastic nut on the outside. The instructions say to adjust the height correctly. There's a line on this part which is supposed to be about a ½ inch below this fill opening. The kit comes with a metal clip which gets inserted into one end of the hose and clips onto the fill opening. The other end can be cut to the appropriate length and placed on the valve. By the way, this valve does have a shutoff, so make sure it's open, or you might be wondering why your tank isn't filling. Attach the flapper chain to the flushing lever, and make sure it's a good length. Too long and the metal shaft is going to hit the inside of the tank lid. Replace the water source by hand tightening and then a slight turn with the pliers.
Wow, get a load of that toilet.
No more leakage and no more bad jokes. Thanks for watching Alley Picked. I hope I helped you out. If you want to see other videos not like this, because frankly I'm not usually doing this kind of thing. I'm usually building something, refinishing, repurposing, or upcycling. For example, what can I make out of this? Anyway, check out my other videos if you're interested. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley. Oh, by the way, have you seen how narrow toilet paper rolls are getting? What's up with that?